Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio. I have another little book. I know I haven't done a tutorial yet, and I did not film the making of this one. I had to get it done kind of quickly. But I wanted to do a flip through because I want to remember what it looked like because it's going away. And hopefully everything's in focus. You like my new background? Clearance from Hobby Lobby. Alright, so here it is. I really love this. Is also clearance from Hobby Lobby. This was I think it's called Dusty Pink. It's got part craft colors and part white base. And yeah, let's see, it's for a baby shower, but I wanted to use these colors. Isn't that cute? So cute. And I saw Le Cafe Craft. I've been watching her stuff lately. And I saw she used her envelope punch to create that divot instead of the half circle. And I really like that. I love the roundedness of it. I could use it bigger, but I just really like that. So that's what I put on these. And yeah, it just goes every which way. Every which way. And I put a little tag down here. And just put a little, you know, those things. And I just backed these with, this one has graph paper, but some of them's lined so they can do journaling. It's for a baby shower tomorrow. So, yeah. And this one goes this way and this way. It's kind of an adventure opening it and figuring out which way things are going to go. I think that's it for that side. And then there's this piece. And then this way. Isn't that cute elephant? That's clearance too. Yeah, all of it's clearance. And then this is another one. Probably should have contrasted the colors. But see, there's a little lined paper on there. And I just used a punch to make those. I don't have like a tab punch. But I thought those worked okay. I have to make sure that one's in good so that it clears that corner. And then the other side. So I was going to put things, but I put the papers on both sides before I did it. So I've decided it's just not going to happen. Plus, it's late. This is going tomorrow. So this one and this one. And this time I did just kind of like two little tuck spots and put this one in here. And that's graph paper too. I just thought that was fun. But I just love this paper. I'm not such a fan of the craft. In the pictures it shows some of those darker ones being a lot brighter. And I think they're pretty dull. So, anyways, I showed you that one. And then there's these two spots. There's this one. And then there's this one. So isn't that pretty paper? So much fun. This one I gave a little bit of a gusset, so there's a little bit more space there. Slide that in. There we go. Oh, and then the back. And I put a little MS stamp in there for me, my initials. I debated on my hand-carved Shelly Studio, but I decided we would just do MS. Since that was the first stamp I found. Anyways, I hope you like that. I will do a tutorial video. I'm just doing these. I don't know that I'm the best person because the measurements are on the fly and yeah, well, it'll be interesting. So my next one with the other set of, I think I want to use the blue, the other set of scrapbook paper that I got on clearance, I will do one and do a full tutorial. The brown around the edges here, that is actually from packing material. From a package that came in from Amazon. So anyways, there you are. Thank you for watching. Have an awesome day.